In this video, I want to talk about how you can earn coins on Temu. Now, there are a few different ways that you can earn coins, and let me quickly talk about all of them. So the first one is using the referral program. Just search for Temu affiliate program and sign up. It's completely free and everyone can sign up. Inside of here, you will get these promotion codes right here. And if you send this link to anyone and they sign up with your link to Temu, and usually they have to buy something, but you can see the details by clicking on these, then you will earn some coins. So this is an easy way to do this. You will be able to earn money from this. The second one is just playing the Temu games. So inside of the app on your phone, there will be some games where you can earn coins. Now another one is to do the daily tasks. So this can be to spin the wheel and stuff like this. And the last one will be giveaways. So inside of your app, sometimes there will be giveaways, or if you have subscribed to their email, you might get it on your email. So these are the 4 best ways to get coins on Temu. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.